the entire, the decision that has come from the Supreme Court yesterday about the stray dogs. I think it's such a not thought through decision that within 8 weeks take them away. Where do you take them away? Where do you take these strays away? Our MCDs have failed us. Our municipal corporations have failed us. They haven't, neutered the female dogs. They don't have shelter homes. You don't have budgets for them. And then you say put them in shelter home. Where are the shelter homes? So some of those are institutions, if they are in decay or are being undermined or being overwhelmed with too much work, we will need to speak up.
But there has to be a solution to this.
Yeah, absolutely.
Shelters have to be, this whole thing of, if the strays are not, if they're fed well, then they will not harm you.
I don't agree with that. I don't agree with that.
And those who say that we have 6 dogs that we have given shelter to, we have 12 in our farmhouse. Oh, that's fine for you. The elitist attitude that you take.
That I agree with you. That there's a genuine.
These are the people जो ऑस्ट्रेलिया में जाते हैं, जो न्यूयॉर्क में जाते हैं, जो लंदन में जाते हैं, मजे करते हैं. वहाँ पे कोई stray dog तो नहीं है.
That's just so old style, Smita. I'm glad to see that.
No, but these are the people. वहाँ पे अगर stray dogs होगे तो तुम क्या करोगे?
नहीं, I totally agree. The stray dog issue and the human dog conflict is leading to consequences, right, for human lives. It is leading to consequences. But that's a failure of our corporations.
I agree. किसी का तो है, but build 20 shelters, build 200 shelters.
Budget कहाँ है?
बजट में क्या दिल्ली म्युनिसिपल कॉर्पोरेशन के पास क्या
वेटनरी बजट आप देखा कर आई हैव टू से दिस आई सॉ
वृक्षारोपण कर रहे हैं.
हाँ तो वही थोड़ा अगर डाइवर्ट कर दें और कहे कि हम एनिमल वेलफेयर के लिए डालेंगे. आई टेल यू स्मिता, इवन इन मुंबई टू इवन ओपन अ क्लिनिक फॉर एनिमल्स, फ्री क्लिनिक, ट्रीटमेंट क्लिनिक फॉर एनिमल्स, बिकॉज माई सिस्टर वर्क्स वेरी क्लोजली फॉर स्ट्रे एनिमल्स, नॉट जस्ट डॉग्स, stray animals, which includes cows and various other animals. It is so difficult to find space and cooperation, and there's just so many processes that
Look, I get what you're saying, but 10 years ago, there was this, I was at a conference and then there was an IAS officer who just turned around and said, stray cattle is such a big problem and there is going to be a huge demand for people who can run gaushalas. And he was talking to undergraduates and he said aap mein se koi is do this course to look after gaushalas because this is going to be a big business
and it's a business proposal
कि वो गौशाला है उसमें से जो products निकलेंगे उसका बन सकता है बायोगैस ये वो. He went on and on about how you can do it, and sure enough 10 years since I attended that conversation when he was laughed at when he suggested it to today when there are gaushalas being made. Of course, the number are less, but you are seeing that to some extent, stray cattle is lesser than what it used to be 10 years back. It was an election issue in Uttar Pradesh, if you remember,
yes, your
home state, original home state. But the same thing is with dogs. They attack. बेचारे वो Zomato वालों से पूछो, Swiggy वालों से पूछो, जो who get attacked, people who do night shifts and come. Children of laborers, because the masons and the laborers are building your bridges, your flyovers, their children are sitting on the side of the flyover, they get affected. Okay. So you going by car with food for the dogs and putting it and
that's not what I meant. What I meant was the timelines that have come.
You mean I don't mean you. I mean
I know you didn't mean me. What I was trying to say is that sometimes that there are institutions which need to be up to the ability to take decisions which will be able to create changes. So institutions which we are fighting back and we are fighting for is something which is the responsibility of the opposition. And it would be nice if even the centre at once in a while actually relooks and rethinks. Because right now they could be in the government, sooner or later they would be out of the government. And the whole way, and for example, many say, when you accuse Chidambaram ji that you were the one who introduced FEMA, etc., such tough laws, and you're facing the brunt of it. So exactly, think with that purpose, that it's the climate change.
He made the money, no? Cauliflower in his terrace he was growing. So
I don't know much about that, but I was just trying to make a larger point.
But Karti, his son, is on the other side, on the stray dog thing.
Yes,
He's been running that campaign for quite some time.
And he met the Prime Minister also.
He also met. Yeah, so what is going on with...
No, he met last. I
But there
think
are
for a
lots
few
of
months ago.
people from the BJP who are saying that हम लोग इतने साल से कार्यकर्ता हैं, काम कर रहे हैं, घिस पिट रहे हैं पार्टी के लिए, और मोदी जी प्रियंका जी से मिलती हैं.
Oh, is it? ऐसा
मिलते हैं,
इनको ऐसा
हाँ.
दुख हो रहा है?
हाँ, दुख तो होता है.
That made me felt very satisfying.
Namaste, Jai Hind. You're watching ANI podcast with Smita Prakash.
अगर हम उसको मस्जिद कहेंगे तो फिर विवाद होगा.
The issue is टूटा है क्या भारत?
400 पार का मतलब ये है कि संविधान खतरे में है.
क्या हम लोग ये निर्देश देते हैं कि फला को गिरफ्तार करके जेल डाल दें?
वही तो कह रहे हैं सब.
ये बेबुनियाद निराधार आरोप.
सच्चा सुनना चाहो देखो स्मिता प्रकाश ANI. It does not lie.